What is up, YouTube? Back for another exciting video on the 25 RTR Spec 3. Today we took delivery of our 2025 Mystichrome Mustang RTR Spec 3 for a second time. So I have not had this car for 2.5 months. I have been a little inactive on YouTube due to that, but I am happy to report that she is finally back. So I had run into some issues with the car as far as the cosmetics and things of that nature. So I worked with the team over at RTR, who was absolutely phenomenal to deal with. They really took care of me. I can't say enough good things about Josh, about the man Vaughn himself, about Jaron and the whole team over at RTR. They really took care of me. So they had picked this car up. It had went back to Fox. It got completely repainted and it has come back now better than ever, and I am stoked that it is here. So I wanted to just do a quick video on this car and show all the improvements that it also came back with. So aside from some fresh new paint looking absolutely fire, the man himself, Vaughn Gittin Jr., signed my radiator cover for me, which was super cool. Next up, which is what I am super excited about, is it was outfitted with the full leather RTR upholstery. These seats are absolutely awesome. The embossing is really nice. They're super plush. It still works with your factory heat and cooling because everything is fully perforated. The backs too, it just, to me, completely changes the look of the interior and really sets it apart, makes it look totally different than the standard black leather premium seats, or if you have the regular cloth. I just absolutely love these seats, the two-tone. So it's suede inserts here and here, and then the rest is all perforated leather, and you have the two-tone gray with the headrest. Just really nice seats. Super pumped about those. I had a snag on the steering wheel right here when I had purchased the car, so they put on a brand new steering wheel for me as well, which you can see is still in the wrapping and protected. So it came back with a new steering wheel, all new RTR leather upholstery, and something else I'm pretty excited about as well. They threw on their RTR exhaust tips for me for the active exhaust. They look really cool. They stick out a little bit further. They give it a more aggressive look, still that slash cut, which I really do like. And then the two outer ones have the laser engraved RTR emblem on there, but really just makes it stick out more and look a little bit more aggressive on the back. So definitely like those and appreciate them doing that. They threw on the license plate cover, and then I had gotten here the RTR custom deck lid graphic. We're making this car a 1 of 1. So this is similar to what is on Vaughn's Mustang GTD. So they had custom made this for me. It looks really cool. I think it adds something to the rear end, makes it a little bit more aggressive. It kind of breaks up all the color back there, doesn't make it as generic. And I think it really adds something neat and some style to the back. So those are all of the improvements. They had gone through the whole car for me. They adjusted all of the issues that I had with it, and it came back in an enclosed trailer, and they did a phenomenal job. So I just wanted to do that quick overview, let you guys know that the Mystichrome is back. I have a ton of parts that have been waiting to go on this car, so stay tuned for more videos on this car. We have a ton of things to put on it. So I wanted to thank the team over at RTR. I wanted to thank Vaughn himself. I really appreciate you guys taking care of me and doing such a good job. They replaced the windshield banner on here as well. It was starting to peel, but a brand new windshield banner on here for me. And they took care of all of my complaints, all of my gripes. Were super respectful about everything and were very understanding. And I just wanted to express my sincere thanks to that whole team over at RTR. So be sure to stay tuned, guys, for more videos on the 25 Spec 3. and thanks for watching. I also want to thank you for this dope model that you sent me that is also autographed by Vaughn. I can't say enough good things about him. He is such a genuine, down-to-earth guy, super humble, and he's an awesome, awesome person. So again, thank you guys.